Good morning. Okay, fine children. Yes, I hope you are fine. Okay, now shall we go to the class? Come, let's go. Okay, what letters we have seen in the last class? What we have seen in the last class? A, I, O, Au, Ki, Matra. We have finished. What matras? How many matras? A, I, O, Au. The matras we have finished in the last class. Okay. Any doubts in this matras? Yes, very good. No doubt there. Okay. Now the end of the matra and ahar. Now we have to see ki matra and ahar ki matra after Chandra Bindu. Right, children? Okay. What is the symbol of the Yes, this is the symbol of the Yes, this is a Anuswar. What is its name? What is its name? Anuswar. And this is the symbol of the Ahar and Chandra Bindu. What is that? This is the symbol of the Chandra Bindu. This is Chandra and this is Bindu. Right? Okay, children. Now we have to add the symbol for all the consonants and reading. The symbol First we have to see the ki matra. For example, ik plus equal to. We have to add the symbol here. Add the symbol top of the consonants. Right, children? Now it is come. Ka plus equal to come. Right? The next one. Ka plus equal to say ka. The ki matra symbol. Now it is come. Right? Okay, clear, children? The next line cha ch, it's plus equal to chum. We have to add the symbol for top of the letter. Add the symbol top of the consonant letter. Now it is chum. The next cha ch plus equal chum. What is this? Chum. T plus equal to tum. What is this? Tum. And it plus equal to. Now it is tum. E plus equal to yum. What is this? Right. Ir plus equal to ram. Right, children? We have to add the symbol of and with the vowels consonants letter. Consonant I plus equal to come. Ik plus equal to come. Ich plus equal to chum. Ich plus equal to chum. It plus equal to thumb. It plus equal to thumb. E plus equal to yum. Ir plus equal to rum. Clear, children? Now the symbol ki matra with the words. How we have to pronounce that word? For example, one word na. No. Now ka dot underscore. How to pronounce this? அதாவது இந்த டாட்டுக்கு பிறகு தான் இந்த லெட்டர் என்ன இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கணுங்க. அது கா லைன்ல வந்திருக்கு அப்படின்னா அதுக்கான ப்ரொனன்சியேஷன் இங். ஓகே, வாட் இஸ் த லாஸ்ட் லெட்டர் ஆஃப் த கா லைன்? ந. நோ, தட் இஸ் த மெய்யுள்ள சொல் இங். ஸோ க இங் க இங். கிளியர் சில்ட்ரன்? இது எப்படி இங்கு நீங்க சொன்னா புரியுதுங்களா? அதாவது கா அடுத்தது இந்த அனுஸ்வரத்துக்கான சவுண்ட் நம்ம தரணும். அது எப்படி தரணும் அப்படின்னா ஆஃப்டர் திஸ் டாட் வாட் இஸ் திஸ் லெட்டர் யூ ஹேவ் டு see. ஸோ இந்த லெட்டர் எந்த லைன்ல வருது? கா லைன்ல வருது. கா லைன்ல லெட்டர் வரும்போது லாஸ்ட் லெட்டர் நானும் அந்த இங்கு சவுண்ட் இங்கு நம்ம தரணும். ஓகே, now only like this only we have to give the pronunciation for this word. Convent, for example, next manjal. How to pronounce this? So ma in ja il, manjal. How it is in ja? After this dot what letter? Ja. After the dot means another dot பிறகு மேல ஒரு அனுஸ்வரம் பிறகு சா லைன்ல வந்து இல்லையா? அப்போ அதை நம்ம எப்படி சொல்லணும் அப்படின்னா சா லைன்ல வந்திருக்கு. மா சா லைன் இஞ்ச். வாட் இஸ் த ப்ரொனன்சியேஷன்? இஞ்ச். மா இன் ஜா இல் லா மஞ்சள். மா இன் ஜா லா மஞ்சள். ஓகே, கிளியர் சில்ட்ரன்? எப்படி புரியுதா? ஓகே, அடுத்தது tanda. Okay, after the dot what letter is here? Ta line. Ta ta da da na. Okay, ta in da tanda. Ta ta da da. What is this letter? Na. You have to say in here. After the dot பிறகு ta லைன்ல லெட்டர் வந்திருக்கு அப்படிங்கும்போது முதல்ல நம்ம என்ன சொல்லணும்னா in. ta in da. Clear children? Okay, tanda. Under. How to pronounce this? So now, right? Well, underscore is here. After the underscore, what letter is here? Ta line. Now, ta, tha, dha, dha, na. What is this? Na. In. So here also in we have to say. In, dha, ra. Under. Okay, clear children? In, dha, ra. Under. Okay, the next line. Kambal. Shall we write? After the dot, what is the pronunciation of this sound? Ka, im, bha, la. Kambal. How it is imple? Imb. So, pa, fa, ba, dha, ma. Okay, after this dot, what is the letter? Ba. Ba is the ha line letter. No? Pa, fa, ba, dha, ma. Last letter ma. So this is what to call im here. Ka, im, bha, la. Kambal. Clear children? Okay, after the dot yaralava will come. No, that is im. After the dot shai shasana, that is in. Sound, the pronunciation of the answer. Okay, clear children? Kangal, manjal, tanda, andar, kambal. cha, and add this symbol of ahar. Now it is chahar. Clear, children? Same like see, all the matras are like this, no? Next, it plus ahar equal to tahar. What is this now? Tahar, right? The next, it plus ahar equal to what we have to do? Ta, ahar ki symbol, right? Now it is tahar. It plus ahar is equal to tahar. Now another example for im plus ahar equal to, you have to add the symbol mahar. It is mahar. And e plus ahar equal to, add this. Now it is yahar. Okay, right? Clear, children? We have to add a symbol for all the consonants letter, and the sound will come. Okay, ik plus ahar equal to kahar. Ich plus ahar equal to chahar. It plus ahar equal to tahar. It plus ahar equal to tahar. Im plus ahar equal to mahar. E plus ahar equal to yahar. Clear? Okay. Alright, children. Am ki matra over and ahar ki matra is also clear. The next, Chandra Bindu. Okay. How the Chandra Bindu pronounced with the words? For example, now Chandra Bindu. Gha, you. This is the same sound of this. Okay. The last sound in nose. Okay. Mookul. So mookla sound like so. Okay. That's all the same only, but small different sound. Okay. Gha plus Aki matra. How to split this? And Chandra Bindu plus Va. Okay, right, children? We have to remove the symbols and add Gha, Aki matra, and Chandra Bindu plus Va. So how to pronounce this? Gha, iv. Ghan. Gha, iv. Ghan. Right? One more. Chand. Chand. Okay. How to split this? Cha plus Aki matra plus Chandra Bindu. This is Chandra and this is Bindu, right? Plus Dha. Now cha id chand. Cha, remove the plus symbol. Cha id chand. No sound, only cha id chand. The next word, jahan. Ja, ha, Chandra Bindu. How to split this? Ja plus ha plus Aki matra and then the last one Chandra Bindu. How to pronounce this? Ja, ha, jahan. So this ja, ha, jahan. Okay, clear, children? Gha, in, you. दुकान, चा इद चांद, जहान. Okay, right? की मात्रा है and Chandrabindu. Okay, clear children? Shall we see the book work now? Okay. Okay, children, take your book. Now, aha ki and Chandrabindu ka lesson. Right? Okay. Now, see children. Ja plus की symbol and plus da. How to pronounce this? Already we saw, no? Ja in da. Janda. Flag. Ja plus की symbol and plus da. Janda. Flag. The next one, ba plus की मात्रा की symbol plus dha plus ra. Bandar. Ba in dha ra. Bandar. Monkey. The next one, padiye. Read. What are the words? Shall we read these words? Do you remember how to pronounce this dot after the की मात्रा की after the letter da? So ta family. So last letter na. So we have to give the pronunciation of this dot in. Ja in da. Janda. Da in da. Danda is also da family. Next, ta in da. Tanda. The last, the next, ra ink ig. Rang. After this dot, this is the ka family letter. So the last letter of the ka family, na, that is that ing. So ra ing ig. Rang. Cha in da. Da family. So last letter na. So in. Cha in da. Chanda. The next ka im bha. Bha is the pa family. So pa family, what is the last letter of the pa family? Ma. So we have to give the pronunciation of im. So ka im ba. Kamba. Ka in gha in. Kangan. Ja in gha il. Jungle. Pa ta in ig. Padang. Ma ing gha la va ra. Mangalvar. Okay, right children? Tanda, danda, tanda, janda, danda, tanda, rang, chanda, kamba, kangan, jungle, patang, mangalvar. Right? Okay, next. ये भी पढ़िए. Read this too. बंदर और लंगूर मीठे मीठे अंगूर खा रहे थे. बंदर और लंगूर मीठे मीठे अंगूर खा रहे थे. बंदर और लंगूर मीठे मीठे अंगूर खा रहे थे. हंस अपने पंख फैलाकर पानी में तैर रहा था. हंस अपने पंख फैलाकर पानी में तैर रहा था. रंग बिरंगी तितली फूल पर बैठी थी। रंग बिरंगी तितली फूल पर बैठी थी। तभी मंगल भागा भागा आया। तभी मंगल भागा भागा आया। उनकी तस्वीर बनाकर तरह तरह के रंग भरने लगा। उनकी तस्वीर बनाकर तरह तरह के रंग भरने लगा। Children, you also try to read. Okay, बंदर और लंगूर मीठे मीठे अंगूर खा रहे थे। हंस अपने पंख फैलाकर पानी में तैर रहा था। रंग बिरंगी तितली फूल पर बैठी थी। तभी मंगल भागा भागा आया। उसकी तस्वीर बनाकर तरह तरह के रंग भरने लगा। Okay, right children? The next अह की मात्रा। Okay, न प्लस म प्लस अह की सिंबल। अह की मात्रा की सिंबल। How to pronounce this? नमः नमः नमः, right? Next ध प्लस उ की मात्रा प्लस अह की सिंबल प्लस क। How to pronounce this? दुख। How? दुख, sorrow, right? Clear children? Shall we read this? अंत दुख फसल फलत। What is that? फलत शनै शनै परिणामत परिणामत, right? Okay, read this too. प्रांत 6 बजे उठो, पुनः पुनः भूल मत करो, किसी को दुख मत दो, जो कुछ कहना है निसंकोच कहो, निसंकोच कहो। झूठ बोलने का दुस्साहस मत करो। कोई भी काम शनै शनै करने से पूरा हो जाता है। अंत पुनः पुनः कोशिश करो। Right children? The next ऊ plus now चंद्रबिंदु। ऊ plus चंद्रबिंदु plus त। How to pronounce this? I said no. O U in it. Unt. Camel. What is that? Camel. Next one. Cha plus Chandrabindu plus the. What is that? Chand. Moon. Cha in id. Chand. Moon. Right children, clear? Now the next words. Ma, San, Ghan, Kahan, Jahan, बूंद, चांद, भांग, थालियाँ, बांसुरी, हंसना. I said no, the same की मात्रा and Chandrabindu also same sounds, but in sound we have to press this here. हंसना, आंवला, right? The next children. मेरी माँ सबसे अच्छी है, वे कल अपने गांव चांदपुर जाएगी, वहाँ भांति भांति के पेड़ है, वहाँ पर हम सब पेड़ की चांद में बांसुरी बजेंगी। हम सब हंसते गाते खूब खेलेंगे और मज़े करेंगे। राइट चिल्ड्रन? ओके, नाउ बुक वर्क एक्सरसाइज। चित्रों का देखकर वाक्य पूरे कीजिए। लुक एट द पिक्चर्स एंड कंप्लीट द sentences. What is this picture? Ram. One picture have it and this dash उड़ा रहा है. Ram. What is this picture? Yes, padang. We have to write the padang here. Pa dha in ig. Padang. Now Ram पतंग उड़ा रहा है. राम पतंग उड़ा रहा है. The next picture. What is this picture? चांद. चांद moon. No. चांद निकल आया. We have to write the चांद. id. चांद. चांद निकल आया. The third one, अंगूर. What is this picture? अंगूर बहुत मीठे हैं. अंगूर बहुत मीठे हैं. We have to write the अंगूर, no? in gu ir. अंगूर बहुत मीठे हैं. Right children? राम पतंग उड़ा रहा है. चांद निकल आया. अंगूर बहुत मीठे हैं. ओके राइट. द नेक्स्ट रोमन लेटर. अक्षरों को मिलाकर लिखिए. ऐड द लेटर्स. हाउ टू ऐड? च प्लस आ की मात्रा सिंबल प्लस चंद्र बिंदु प्लस व. हाउ वी हैव टू राइट? Cha and Chandra Bindu is here. Iv. What is this word? Chand. Just we have to remove the symbols, plus symbols and write. Next, ha. Am ki matra symbol anuswar plus sa equal to Hans. How to pronounce this? Ha in is sa. Hans. The next bha plus am की मात्रा symbol plus dha plus ra. Ba in dha ra. Bandar. What is that? Bandar. The next one, the plus hu की मात्रा symbol plus aha की symbol plus ka. How to match this? Just we have to remove the plus symbols. First the and u ki matra want to write here. And what is the next one? Aha ki symbol dukha kha. What is this word? Dukh. Okay, clear children? You also do your book this exercises and help the Neha meet to her mother. Do it yourself, right? Okay children, now shall we see the classwork? Take your classwork. Okay right children, take your classwork. Now the first Roman letter is, you have to write this in your notebook children. Ahar और चंद्र बिंदु वाले शब्द. You also write in your notebook. The first Roman letter is am की मात्रा. Very simple. You have to try to yourself children. Already you clear, no? How? For all the consonant letter we have to add the symbol of am की मात्रा. Kam, छम झम झम ञम ठम ठम ढम ढम नम right. Next line, ba, hum, fum, bum, bhum, mum. Next, you have to write one by one. Yum, rum, lum, bum. Shum, shum, sum, hum. Shum, rum, yum, sum. Right? Khum, khum, ghum, ghum, ngum. Chum, chum, jhum, jhum, nyam. Tum, tum, dum, dum, num. Tum, thum, dhum, dhum, num. Pum, fum, bum, bum, mum. Yum, rum, lum, bum. Shum, shum, sum, hum. Shum, trum, yum, sum. Clear, children? Okay. You also have to write your notebook. Copy this one. The next Roman letters, write the meanings in English for the 3 matras and 2 matras plus standard words. Write second Roman letter. Write the meanings in English. Write the meanings in English. Okay. The first word, ta, in, da, tanda, tanda, cool. What is the meaning? Cool. Ra, din, ga, rang. Color. The third one, ja, in, ji, ir, janjeer, chain. The fourth one, dhu, kh, dukh, sad. The fifth one, you have to write one by one, children. One by one you have to write. I have no place, so only I am writing here. You also write here, right? Ma, in, man. Then children, this is Samki Matra and this is Aha and this is Chandra, right? Ma, mother. Sixth one, Bansuri. Ba, su, ri. Bansuri, flute. Flute. Okay. These 3 words are Amki and this Aha and this is Chandra. right? Thanda, cool. Run, color. Janji, chain. Dukh, sad. Mom, mother. Bansuri, flute. Copy this one, children. Okay, shall I wrap this? The next round letter is split the words. Third round letter is split the words. We have to split some words. How the words are with the matras. We have to split that. The first word is Changali. How to split this? First ja plus amki matra symbol plus ga plus la. Okay, ja in ga la, jungle. Ja in ga la, right? The next one, patang. First pa plus tha, after the amki matra plus ga. Patang. Pa, tha, in, ga. Patang. Next one, jahan. Jahan. Chandrabindu. Ja. How to split? Plus a की मात्रा plus last one is Chandra. Jahan, right? The next Ghan. What is this? Ghan. Ghar plus a की मात्रा symbol plus Chandrabindu plus ba. Gha in if ba. Ghan. Right? Now the fifth one. Thaliyan. Tha, li, ya, in. Thaliyan. How to speak this? Tha plus a की मात्रा plus e की मात्रा plus la plus ya plus a की मात्रा plus Chandra. Right? Visible is this? Right. Okay. Thaliya. How to split this? A की मात्रा, e की मात्रा, la, ya, a की मात्रा, Chandra. Right? Okay. The sixth one, the last one is Anthar. Anthar. A plus tha plus ahar. Athar. How to pronounce this? Athar. Athar. Right? Okay, copy this, children. Now the last common letter is circle the correct name of the picture. Shall we do? Now we given some pictures of the birds. Which is the correct name of the picture? We have to round that. Okay. Fourth round letter. Circle the correct name on the picture. Children, shall we draw? See, very simple picture. You have to draw yourself, children. Now, find this. What is this? What is this picture? Yes, moon. What is it in Hindi? Chand, Chanda is also right, no? Okay, now. Cha, in, dha, chanda, dha, in, dha, danda, ra, in, gha, rang. Which is the correct name of this picture? Yes, chanda is the correct name of the picture. We have to roll around, circle this word. Okay. The next one. What is this picture? Find. Yes, snake. Ma, san, ghan. Chandravidurga words. Listen. Amki words. Chandravidurga words. Which is the correct name of this picture? Yes, Sam is the correct answer. Shall we bring the Sam? Okay. Right. The next last one. Very simple picture. What is this? Our flag, national flag. What is in Hindi? Janda. But here words Kangan, jungle, and janda. Which is the correct answer for this picture? Yes, janda is the correct answer. Where is that? Here. We have to round this. Okay. Copy this one also, children. You also try to draw this very simple pictures, no? Yourself. Okay. Okay, children. Now the class is over. We will meet the next